Submitted by Stomper Justin. Our parrot flew into Stomper Justina's home at Bouquet Batox Street 21 yesterday evening, May 27. The parrot has a red beak and a body that was a mixture of yellow and green colors. Justina said, "This pretty little thing flew into my home. I would appreciate if you could post it to help find its owner. If this parrot belongs to you, kindly contact stomp@stomp.com.sg or WhatsApp 9384 3761.